What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to my party rental shop. If you've been here before, you know that this is the vlog, and I do these weekly, following my progress from my rental company that started from the garage of my house, and I built my way up over 4 years to get to, well, this is what I have so far. So let's get into the vlog. What did we do for work this week? We did a 20 by 40 tent, a 10 by 20 pop-up tent, a 20 by 20 on a stage, and a 20 by 30 change room, and a 10 by 10 pop-up tent, and then a whole slew of smalls. Lots of smalls, lots of dishes, lots of flowers, lots of all that stuff. It's Saturday night. I'm at the shop, and well, I have to go do a tent takedown by myself. All my guys are done. They're back to school. I've still got the front end staff here, my daughter and my wife working. They're obviously not here right now. But yeah, so let's just start off by going to take down a tent. Since everyone's gone back to work, I'm back to one-man army mode. And the way that you take down tents in one-man army mode is you hire labor ready when you absolutely need them, but then you also use the right tools. The right tools for the job are these tent jacks. They can help you take down and put up tents. Stake pullers. Stilts to make yourself taller. See these guys right here? They're drywall stilts. I wear them on my legs so that I can easily install tent walls and lights and blah, 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 blah. You get it. Drills and to undo stakes. Tent lift tools to put down and take down and put up tents. And a good dolly. So I'll also grab my dolly here. And there we go. Let's go. So before I take down this 20 by 20 here over the stage, I'm gonna grab this little drill here and take down this pop-up tent, get it out of the way. So I've got a Milwaukee mud mixer with a little battery there. And yeah. All right, I'm gonna take this 20 by 20 and I'm gonna shim it over here to get it off the stage and then unpack it. All right, so now let's take down the 20 by 30 change room tent. So the 20 by 20 that I just took down has 10-foot walls. This one has 9-foot walls. So this one's gonna be, I think, a little bit easier to take down. So I'm gonna start with the walls, and then I'm going to pull the pins and just take it down. So the end of the season, you can go to all the expensive decor stores and they'll be cleaning out their expensive inventory. Today we saved $522 just getting things for flower arrangements, very expensive things, 75% off. You know, like these big, huge pillars, next to nothing. So, and you know, you could buy it on the internet on sale, but these stores, they have to clear them out. So, you know, sometimes it's just better to go to the stores and check it out. End of the season. So on the in-between days, everything gets put back together. So vehicles get cleaned out. How's that broken glass bin looking? It's getting full, hey? Nice.
There was 11 broken glasses in that rack.
Was there?
11.
From the people? Ah. You made a she made a smashed glass bucket.
I can wipe my own ass.
We wipe our own ass here at 306 Party Rentals. So smashed glass bucket, you need to have one of those. It's kind of a standard in a restaurant. Also, if you have a clean room like us, you can't just put glass in the garbage, because if people stick their hands in to push it down or something, they get cut. It falls through the bags and everything. So if you're dealing with glassware, and there will be smashed glassware, get a smashed glassware bucket, keep it separate. So we're on site here, 9-foot tall change room tent. There's kind of a mishmash of companies. We're doing a 20 by 20 over the stage from one of our competitors. We actually had to subrent the walls from them, from the people who are doing the stage, and some pipe and drape, and then they brought in an audio video company to do the stage line there. That's an SL 100 and 16 by 16 stage, and then they've got all different kinds of tents around here. It's a big mishmash. Anyways, I'll take you for a tour shortly. Here, as you can see right here, I have leg extenders for my tents. So you could take a regular tent pole. So this is an 8-foot pole from a 20 by 20 marquee. And if you get the leg extenders, well, you can make them so that they can become stage cover and get longer. And then you could get longer walls as well. So traditionally, we put 8-foot walls on our marquee tents. Well, this one here is a 10-foot wall that we got in special just for this event. Anyways, this week with that 20 by 30 and 20 by 20 over a stage, we charged $3,942. We charged an exact time charge. We also charged for things that we didn't have. They wanted a stage, or they wanted a tent over a stage. So as soon as they asked for the quote, I just went and sourced the price to get the stuff. So I could use a regular marquee tent with leg extenders on the 20 by 20 tent. And so I just got the pricing to get the leg extenders and one 10-foot, like super huge wall for the 20 by 20 tent, and I basically forward the price right over to the customer. So I charged them 100% of what it would have cost me, and they booked. See, that's corporate. They just, you know, they want something done. They don't care what it costs. They just want you to be reliable. So as always, I'm bringing drones out to every tent install that I can, so that I can get those awesome photos, so that I can make videos to put on my website and attach very good keywords to them so that they'll pop up. This week I was attacking, you know, stage cover and stage tent rental and things along that trajectory. And you know, in the off season, a lot of these videos that I've made and I put on my other YouTube channel for 306 Party Rentals. I'm going to be making landing pages for my website specific to them, almost like blog posts that will convert to landing pages for my website. It's my SEO strategy for the winter. I've got a lot of work ahead of me, so I'm busy taking these stock photos every week that I can, and putting them on YouTube and tagging the locations and just using, keywords that resonate, right? What people are typing in is what I'm targeting. Sunday, get to the shop. Like usual, I print out my deliveries for the week on the yellow sheets, the pickups for the week on the white sheets, and then the orders that I will have to go pick up onto the blue sheets. Anyways, guys, quick vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, check out some of my other vlogs right there. And that's all I got for you this week. So, as always, you stay classy. We'll see you on the next one.